first of all, this narrative, this false narrative, and I explain it in my motion, but this false narrative that they put out repeatedly, that he stood over Sergeant Johnson, fired 3 times, and the chief of police said that then he turned and slowly walked away. They're trying to paint this narrative of a cold, calculated killer, okay? Because they're trying to get people to cement it in their minds what actually happened. That's not what happened. He was begging them, please stop, help me. Why are you guys doing this to me? Why are you guys doing this to me? Sergeant Johnson fully kicked him like he was kicking in a door. He kicked him, actually kicked him twice, okay? I have no doubt in my mind that David Ware, at the time that he shot these 2 officers, was in fear for his life. But it will put this whole thing in context. Nothing looks right when you take it out of context. And I'm not saying that legally he's justified, but it's a question of intent. First-degree murder is malice and forethought, the deliberate intent to take human life, okay? Manslaughter could be heat of passion. Okay, there's a real question here of whether this is first-degree murder or whether this is something less than first-degree murder. And I submit that the reason that they don't want that video put out there, it's a difficult video to watch. Not just because of the shooting, but leading up to the shooting, when this man is begging and pleading and crying for help. He asked his friend Matt Hall, who calls him, please come here, please come video this, help, 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 video this, they're violating my rights, help, help, help. That's what the video shows.
Adams having his Access Hollywood moment. That's what you just witnessed. He's going to now join the ranks of Gloria Allred and that whole group of folks who make a living off getting in front of a camera and trying to litigate their case before the media. That's not who the district attorney's office is, and we never will be. I'm going to make this really short and sweet. This case is going to be tried in a courtroom. And what the public is going to hear is going to be under the process that's survived this country well for over 200 years. A judge who listens to argument and makes decisions based upon the admissibility of evidence. Not somebody who's going to pander to a crowd or somebody who's going to say, this is what I think the evidence is, and I wonder why they did this or wonder why they did that. This is a country that's built upon law, and the law requires me to go through a process, and I'm going to stick to that process. Thank you.